Alright, so we just loaded up my four-wheeler from the backyard. I'm gonna take it to my cousin's house so he can fix it. And I'm gonna grab all my extra stuff, my light bar and stuff like that. Alright, I'm gonna put it like that. Alright, so we got everything loaded up and ready to go to get fixed and all that. Alright, so right now we stopping getting gas. So my stepdad actually took off with the trailer because he told us, so we're just gonna catch up to him. But I was on E. And then after that, we're gonna go meet up with her brother so we can do a review on his truck. He got a 2021 Chevy Silverado and it's on the lift on 35. So yeah, I'll get back with y'all. Alright, what's good? So right now we're gonna do a YouTube video. He got a 2021 Chevy Silverado on a 6-inch lift with 35, right? Yeah. So yeah, he finna give y'all a walk around description and then we're gonna put his Instagram in the, up there. Yeah.
Alright. If y'all guys shout me out at awood35_. Okay, this is my 2021 Chevy Silverado. Came bone stock. I'm sitting on a 6-inch rough country lift on 35s on TSI rims. Like 20. I went ahead and blacked out the emblems. I got some stuff in here that some of the 2021s ain't got yet. A little scared to do it. I got my exhaust done. I got a straight down pipe from the headers back. Pretty much a cat delete. What else I got? We're not gonna show you the dent on here. Tonka Gang, make sure you guys shout that out too. Get a little followers on there. Let's see. That's pretty much for the outside right now. I got a few things coming pretty soon. I got a tune coming and some tow mirrors coming. And if you give this video 100 likes, I'll go a 9-inch lift.
9-inch. And we do a giveaway. We get 1,000 views in like 3 weeks.
If you get 1,000 views, me and Tim will go half, and we'll do a little giveaway for y'all, a little big giveaway. Let's see what we got doing inside. So pretty much inside is pretty much. I got a baby, so excuse my mess. I got 2 tins and upgraded door speakers, and I have another 2021.
Wait, you upgraded your door speakers?
Yeah.
All of them?
All of them. Shit.
When?
When I first got my sound system. And then a lot of the 2021s ain't got this. You know, we got the little ambient lights in here. Like I said, ambient. Oh, hey, that's not mine. That's not my seat. Don't be talking about me. Got an ambient light. I got a few more things coming in here. I got a rough country leather interior coming in and a full console also coming in for this truck. Also got my star headliner getting done right now, so that should be coming in a couple weeks. It's gonna look like a whole different fully loaded truck. I'm thinking about taking out that infotainment center system and putting an iPad in there, but I don't know yet. That's coming up. That's pretty much it right now. I'm probably gonna debadge it. Like I said, you get this to 100 views, I'll go a 9-inch lift. 9-inch lift, or I'll throw it in. I'll even squat it. All
right, so right now he gonna rev it up so y'all can hear the exhaust. We got exhaust on there. Hey, wait, you got dual exhaust?
Yeah, dual exhaust in the dump. Yeah, I had rim lights, but some company, I'm not gonna say no names, gave me some cheap ones. They got waterproof. Go ahead and cut that out.
I was shaking. And then, yeah, there goes his Instagram name.
Oh yeah, I got my Instagram, _35, Tonka Gang. Also in Alcina Trucking. Some was in that, but I do also have some other big things coming too. I don't know if I should keep it a secret or if I should go ahead and tell them. You think I should tell them, Tim?
Yeah, go ahead.
I got the halos coming in, rainbow halos and demon eyes coming also.
Oh, wait, you got the halos coming in?
Yeah, I got them coming in.
You know what, bro? I thought your truck had fog lights.
I got the cube lights I got to put in also.
Yeah, I don't have fog lights either.
Yeah, they got the little space. They got this little piece for that. That's pretty much it for right now. I'm probably gonna color match it pretty soon. I don't know yet. I haven't seen too many of this color. That's the only reason why I don't want to kind of throw us off the chrome. But I'm probably gonna. I got a few more things coming up. But that's about it for this 2021. Big flexing, you know. Shout them on this video too. You know, one of my good supporters.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right now I'm trying to get all my parts for my four-wheeler so we can fix that. But yeah.
ASAP. Oh, whoa, wait. This video ain't over yet. Okay, we're about to hit this gas station and hit that little parallel park TikTok video real quick.
Yeah, because anyway, we're going to get y'all some rolling shots of this truck and everything. So yeah, we're going to get that. Where should I put my light bar?
What?
Yes. So right now we just, like I said, I'm trying to find the parts of my folder. Where should I put my light bar? Top, bottom?
Top. I thought you were gonna do it.
I don't know if my tank's in a big bit over there.
God damn.
Hey, we're getting a lot of looks in this area.
I thought that's what you were gonna do.
Right next to you.
I know, you should have. That's what you were doing.
I thought that's what you were doing
I'm
too.
fixing it. I can't.
Are you actually getting gas?
Yeah.
Oh. Huh? I know, the white dude. He might as well set that thing off. The thing. I gotta get from the side view. I think you're on the way.